Ever hear a clicking or popping sound from your wheels when you turn? Most people just ignore it, but that's a mistake. That noise is often your CV axle warning you it's about to fail, and if it breaks, you could lose power to your wheels in the middle of a turn. Today, I'll show you the top signs your CV axle is going bad, why it happens, and how to fix it before it leaves you stranded. Let's dive in and keep your car safe and reliable. The most common sign of a bad CV axle is a clicking or popping sound when you turn, especially during sharp turns or U-turns. This noise means the CV joint's bearings are worn out, often because the protective boot is damaged. When those bearings wear, they catch and slip, making that distinct clicking sound, louder with sharper turns. You'll notice it most at low speeds, like in parking lots, because the CV joint is flexed to its max. If you only hear it turning one way, that tells you which side is failing. Don't ignore it, just because your car still drives fine. The damage will only get worse. If the joint fails completely, you could lose drive power without warning. Here's a quick test. In an empty lot, turn your wheel all the way and drive in a circle. If you hear clicking, your CV joint is likely bad. Repeat the test in both directions to check both axles. The noise won't fix itself. If anything, it'll get louder and more frequent. Some people wonder if it's safe to keep driving with a clicking CV axle. Technically, yes, but it's risky and could leave you stranded. The longer you wait, the more expensive the repair can get. If you hear clicking, inspect your CV axles right away. Listen with your windows down and get a friend to help if needed. Remember, catching this early is much cheaper than dealing with a breakdown. Don't ignore your car's warning signs. Next, let's look at another clue. Grease around your wheel. Stay tuned. One of the most obvious warning signs of CV axle trouble is grease splattered around your wheel or suspension. If you notice sticky black or dark brown grease on the inside of your tire, wheel well, or even on nearby suspension parts, it's time to take a closer look. This grease usually means your CV joint's rubber boot is torn or cracked. The boot is designed to keep grease in and contaminants out, so any damage lets grease escape and exposes the joint to dirt and water. When the boot fails, grease gets flung out as the axle spins, and the joint quickly loses lubrication. Without that protective grease, the metal bearings inside the CV joint start to grind and wear out. Dirt and water can get inside, turning the grease gritty and abrasive, which destroys the bearings and can lead to total joint failure. Sometimes, if you catch it early, you can just replace the boot and repack the grease, but often, by the time you see grease outside, the joint is already damaged and needs replacement. To check, turn your steering wheel fully left and right and inspect the CV boots for splits, cracks, or fresh wet grease. Pay close attention to any new leaks. If you spot a leak, act quickly. A leaking boot can ruin the joint in a matter of days or weeks, especially if you drive in wet or dirty conditions. Don't let a shop just wipe away the grease and send you on your way. Make sure they thoroughly inspect the boot and the joint itself for damage. If you're handy, replacing a CV axle is possible with the right tools and instructions, but if you're unsure, don't hesitate to get a professional to handle it. The key is to fix the problem before it gets worse and leads to more expensive repairs. Next, let's talk about how a bad CV axle can cause dangerous vibrations while driving. Let's check it out. If your steering wheel shakes, your seat vibrates, or you feel a buzzing through the floor while driving, pay close attention. These are classic signs of trouble. Vibrations that get worse as you accelerate often point to a failing CV axle or worn CV joints. When a CV joint wears out, or an axle bends, it can't spin smoothly. This causes uneven rotation, sending vibrations through your suspension and into the cabin. These shakes might start out subtle, maybe just a slight tremor at your hands or feet, but they usually get worse over time, especially if left unchecked. Vibrations can also be caused by other issues, like unbalanced tires, bent wheels, or worn wheel bearings, so it's important to check those first. If your tires and wheels are fine, but the vibration remains, the axle is a likely culprit. Sometimes you'll also hear a faint humming, buzzing, or even a rhythmic thumping noise along with the vibration. To pinpoint the cause, drive at different speeds and pay attention to when the vibration is strongest, during acceleration, deceleration, or while turning. If the vibration changes or gets worse as you turn, that's a big clue the CV axle is at fault. Severe vibrations at highway speeds mean the joint is seriously worn and could fail any time, making driving dangerous. If you also notice clicking noises or see grease leaking from the CV boot, that's a triple warning. Replace the axle ASAP. After replacing a bad CV axle, your car should drive smooth again. Always get your wheels aligned after axle work. Ignoring vibrations can make your car harder to control and cause more damage. Don't ignore them. Next, let's cover one more warning sign, a clunking sound when you accelerate. Here's what to listen for. Another unmistakable sign of CV axle trouble is a deep clunk or thunk when you accelerate or decelerate. This sound can be alarming and is often a clear warning that something is wrong. The noise happens when the CV joint develops too much play from worn bearings or damaged inner components, causing the joint to shift suddenly under load. You'll notice it most when pulling away from a stop, shifting gears, or coming to a quick stop, anytime the drivetrain is under stress. Ignoring a clunking joint can lead to the axle breaking apart, which is both dangerous and expensive to repair. Listen for clunks when switching from reverse to drive or driving up a hill. Extra force makes the loose joint shift even more. To check safely, jack up your car and try to wiggle the axle by hand. If you feel excess movement or hear a clunk, the joint is worn out and needs attention. Don't confuse this with other suspension noises. CV axle clunks happen with speed changes, not bumps or rough roads. If you hear clunks along with clicking or see grease leaking from the CV boot, your CV joint is almost certainly the culprit. Replace the axle before it fails completely to avoid a breakdown. After replacement, your car will feel tighter, safer, and more responsive. Let's wrap up with some final advice to keep your vehicle running smoothly. If you notice clicking, grease leaks, vibrations, or clunking, don't ignore them. Your CV axle needs attention. Catching these problems early saves you money and prevents breakdowns. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe to Fixpro Garage for more car repair tips. Share your CV axle stories or questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.